Okay guys, so today I am making a video about a vending machine hack that you can get free stuff out of. So, I got a $10 bill, $10 real money, and as you can see, it only accepts $1 bills. So, here's the hack. I want something. So let's see what I want. I want this Coke bottle. The number is 60. I punch in 60 right here. 60. It costs $1.50. But this only takes $1. So I should put this in and punch in. Okay, I messed up. Let it come back out. Did it do anything? Okay, nothing. So if I do that and then punch in 60 after 10, this is gonna change to 75 or 50, or $1 or 50. So let's try again. Put this in, punch in 1, 0, $1.50, and then I should punch in 0. But I'm not gonna do it now because my mom is gonna tell me why I did it. So, because she said not to get anything out of it right now. So, hopefully next time I succeed in getting a Coke bottle for free. Let me try that one more time. Wait. Okay. So, I'll put this in. Didn't go in this time. Maybe the machine knows I'm hacking. Okay, punch in 1, 0, $1.50. That is legit, guys. That hack actually worked. Okay, now I am outside and hope you enjoyed my video about this vending machine hack, and here my money goes. Ooh.